Here I have FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you should select preferred language, then tap Start. Then you can connect to the mobile network, but you can also skip this step for now and insert SIM later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just set up device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services which you can turn off. Then tap accept. Then you can set up PIN or any other lock screen method, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later. Or just don't do this at all. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.